Today you're going to learn how to make these 3-ingredient dog biscuits. This is in celebration of Jackson's 6th anniversary with us. This is a really simple recipe. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. In a large bowl, we are going to use 1 cup of pumpkin, that is 244 grams. To that, we're going to add in 1 egg, that is 50 grams. You could use the shell if you like, just crunch it up, but I'm not going to use it for this because Jackson doesn't like crunchy shells. And then we're going to add in 1 cup of flour. I'm using rice flour, 160 grams. You can use any type of flour you like as long as your dog isn't allergic to it. Rice flour is very easy on dogs' digestive system, and Raymond has allergies, so he wants to celebrate too. Mix it until it's a nice lumpy batter like this. Set it aside and we're going to put it on a baking sheet. You want to use parchment paper if it's not non-stick. If it's non-stick, you can just put it straight onto the pan, but these will stick because there's no butter or fat in them. You don't want to add a lot of extra ingredients when making treats for your dog whenever possible. I'm just rolling these up and just flattening them out. They don't have to be perfect. The dogs won't care at all. Now look what happens when my back is turned. Maggie is seeing if there's anything she can possibly get. I did not know she did that until I was editing the video. And here she is watching my every move. She is my little sous chef. She's my perfect little pooch. She's helping me supervise Jackson's treats. You will never be alone in the kitchen if you have a dog. These make around 36 to 48 cookies, just depending on what size you make them. You want to bake them for 12 to 15 minutes until they come out a nice firm texture. You do want to store these in the fridge because they are very perishable with all the moisture content from the pumpkin. They last about 2 to 3 days, 5 maybe in the fridge, but you can freeze them as well, which is what I do. Put them on a cooling rack and let them cool completely before serving them to your pooches. The gang is all here. They want to try them out and tell you what they think of them. Say hello to Jackson, everybody. He's the one sporting the red sweater. He gets cold anytime it's below 60 degrees Fahrenheit. And there's Miss Maggie, and Raymond is peeking his little ear in the corner. Jackson wants to say hello to everybody, and he catches things really well, which sets off everybody wanting their food. Maggie is just a jumping bean as always, and she likes to do spins and circles. So I just ask her for that. And then, of course, here's good old Raymond. He's so gentle and loving, and he just waits his turn so well. Let me see if I can get him out there for you a little bit better. And there he is. Say hello to everybody, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this little video. Wish Jackson a happy anniversary. Isn't he just the cutest thing you've ever seen? I think he really enjoyed his treats, don't you? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Here are the ingredients if you want to follow along. Thank you for visiting us at jacksonsjob.com. And as always, happy baking.